Hello good people and welcome to Dual Markets Academy. Today we are going to have a very interesting topic which we are referring to as the cycle of doom. The cycle of doom is a model which provides reasons why as a trader you will never make money in this industry unless you operate differently. But just before we continue, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you'll be notified once we release our next video. And you can also book a session with us online so that we can discuss the previous sessions and also consult about the trading profession using the numbers on your screen. But now, let's get back to our cycle of doom. So, as a trader, you've made the decision that it's time for you to get started. You've learned a strategy, one or two strategies, and you start implementing strategy number one. And because you've been very keen, you've been following a plan, you start making some money using that strategy. But along the way, the inevitable happens. You start losing money, which we are calling the losing streak. So at some point you're like, okay, I started with strategy number one, but I'm losing money. I need to do something different so that I can get back to the winning ways. That's the time we make some changes to strategy number one, and all of a sudden we get back to the winning ways. Again, the inevitable happens, the losing streak strikes. You get either uncomfortable with the situation or you are impatient. You're not patient with the plan you've been working with. Again, you make more changes to the strategy you've been working with and you get back to the winning ways. After some point again, the inevitable happens. And we are saying inevitable because it must happen. At some point, you start losing money again. So having gone through a number of stages, make money, lose money, make some changes to the strategy, you're like, this is not working. Probably the strategy I'm working with is what is causing me not to make money. That time you say, can I work on a new strategy? Maybe you've been doing day trading. Now you start doing scalping because you want to run after the losses you've made. Or maybe you have blown your account and you want to recover the money you've blown using the new money you've put in. You start with a new strategy. You start making some money. Inevitable happens again. You start losing money. So when the losing streak comes, it's the time you are like, okay, all these strategies are not working. Maybe I should get back to the strategy I started with. And I make some money. But what you will not realize at this point, it's you'll have completed the cycle. You start all over again, make some money, lose, make, lose, make, lose, make, and the cycle continues. Many people have found themselves into this trap whereby they will never stick to any strategy, they will never stick to their plan because of the happenings within the market. Either they start winning, they change whatever they have been working with so that they can make more money, or they start losing and make changes so that they can get back to the winning ways. What you need to realize as a trader is that there is no strategy which will always give you positive results. There are times when you'll be losing and there are times when you'll be winning. Even those professional traders, the strategies they have learned in the past, there will be times when they will be winning and there will be times when they will be losing. And you cannot say because so and so has been a professional and they were working with strategy X, that's the only strategy you can make money. No, that strategy X at some point will also have losing streaks. It is for you as a trader to implement a plan whereby during the losing streak, you have a risk management factor which will make sure you don't blow your account and make sure that you are in the game in the long run. You can only do that if you have realistic expectations about forex trading and you stick to a plan. It is possible you can make money using one strategy and you master it. But if you keep hopping from one strategy to another, thinking that there is a strategy which will always be winning, that is not going to happen, and you will always find yourself within the cycle of doom. It's a cycle of doom because you will never make money. You will be making money, you let it go, you give it out into the markets. You start making again and you let it go. So stick to a plan, stick to a strategy, and implement in the long run. That brings us to the end of our discussion today, and thank you for your time.